Hello friends, I told you that when you have got A, E, I, O, U, at the beginning of a word you should use an. Then I told you, remember, we will revise it tomorrow, and that tomorrow is today. So here it is. We say an egg. Okay? We say an apple. In apple. And Eid celebration. An Eid celebration. An Eid. Or let us say put it a different way. Because we will have an idiom. An idiom. Isn't it? An idiom. A-E-I-O. An ox. You. You have an umbrella. So this is what we said. Say A-E-I-O-U. You have an apple, an egg, an idiom, an ox, an umbrella. Okay. But now that you should forget that. What I told you yesterday, please forget. Because we are going to have a brand new idea. And that is, you must have seen when you are reading, instead of this, when you have word you write like this: A union, A university, A euro, A European. See, a euro, a European, and you find you have a 1 rupee note, a 1 rupee note. So you have got a U, is an E-W-E. See, then you have got, see that. You have got U here, but you are using A. U, A. E here, but A. E, O, A. Did you see that? Or is it, you find where you don't have A, S. That is, you say S. Where you don't have A, you have an hour. An hourly train. So now, an air, an honorable, an honorable, an honor, an honor. See, an honor. An honor. You don't have A here. This is all H. See, so you find whatever we said yesterday, confusion. See that? But there is no confusion. Let us take this set. Here, the sound with which you begin the word is vowel. H is silent here. H is silent. So we say an hour. We don't say an hour. An hourly, not an hourly. An hair, not an hair. An honorable, not not a honorable. An honor, not a honor. So here, though the words begin with H, the first sound is vowel sound. So that is the important thing. Not this letter. Letter is not the important thing. You have to look for the sound. For example, you see an SP. There is no vowel here. An MLA. An MP. A. The sound is A. That is a vowel sound. A. An opaque. That okay, so an opaque. Opaque. Oil producing and exporting countries. An opaque. It is A guru. See that? Did you see the difference? An MA. I am doing, he is an MA. You said an MA. Do you see this? So, here you have got consonants, but the sound is A. A is a vowel sound. Therefore, although you don't find A, E, I, O, U, you have to use an here because you begin with the vowel sound. Here, same thing here also. But what about here? Here you have got vowel letter. Please don't be misled by vowel letter. Always be led by the sound. How the word begins with the vowel sound or a consonant sound. What is a vowel sound? Simple. When you are producing a sound, if the flow of air, we say na, that's the flow. A, E, U, O. See? Then the flow of air or the stream of the air, we say air stream. Stream is what we say, stream or flow. Stream or flow is free. Free means not that you need not pay anything, but there is no block. E, O. Consonant means the flow of air is blocked. That is simple thing to understand. P, B, T, D, K, G, F, V. V, if you want to pronounce it in the letter way, then we see the B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. So, vowel sound, when you have a vowel sound, the vowel sound means the sound is free flow of air. Consonant sound means there will be some blocking. P, B, see, T. Is this how you hear this? I, U, and the combinations of these also. I, Oi, A, Ow, Ew, U. Combinations of vowels. Two vowels now. A and the I. O and the Oi. O, there is no obstruction. E, there is no obstruction. So, O, E, Oi. That's equivalent to a vowel. This is the simplest way to find out whether the sound is vowel sound or consonant sound. Vowel sound, once again, the flow is free. But the consonant sound, this is the understand? You can say that. See that? All kinds of sounds. You got the point? Yes. Now, in such a case, don't look for the letter. Whatever I said yesterday, you forget. Just at the beginner. Now you are a bit advanced. Now you have got U here. But it is pronounced there? U. U. Yeah. Consonant sound. Yeah. Not U. If you say onion, then you can say an onion. But that is not the way you pronounce it. You pronounce it as union. So this is a consonant sound and that's why you are using A here. Same with, we don't say an university. University. Trivandrum University we don't say. In the university. Yeah. That is consonant. European. Yeah. European. You don't say European. No. If you are saying European, then you can say an European. But that is not the way you say it. So it is a European. One. A one. It's a consonant sound. There is some problem in the airflow. One. The other one is I, O, U, E. See that? O, I, E, A, U. Free. The one. See that? So M1 rupee. A U. This is pronounced not U but U. So yeah. A one-eyed man. We say a one-eyed man. See? One. Is a history. We don't say a history. We don't say an history. Why? Because H is pronounced here. We don't say an. But some people say an historical novel. An historical novel. An historical place. An historical place. Because H is silent. Depends. If in your pronunciation H is silent, an historical. Otherwise, a historical. Understand? You got that point? Yes? An Olympic or a Olympic? An Olympic. An Olympic. See that? An SOS or a SOS? An SOS or a SOS. Understand? A honorary, a hour or an hour. An hour. Because H is silent. See that? A useful step or an useful step. A useful step. U. A unicorn or an unicorn. A unicorn. You don't say unicorn. You say a unicorn. Isn't it? That's what it is. That's what it is. It has to be. A honest man or an honest man. An honest man, not a honest man. You don't say a honest man. Yeah, I suppose you got it. So whatever we say in the last class, forget. Now you are revised. What is the revision? Don't look at the letter, but look at the sound. Any word that begins with a vowel sound, even if in writing you find a consonant sound, if that is silent, if the first sound is a vowel sound, you must use an. Examples are an honest, an hour, an hourly, an air, H-E-I-R, hair. We don't say hair, but hair. Like that. An SP, an MB, an MLA. Like that. But if you find vowel letter is there, but it is, the pronunciation begins with a consonant sound. For example, a European, a university, a one-eyed man, a 1 rupee note, a year, not an year. An year is this one, an year. The other is a year. Why a? Because here it is yeah. The other is an year, year. The other is, next one is Y-A-R. A-E-R. A-E-R. Listen. An Olympic, an auction, but a 1 rupee. You go to an Olympics, you go to Olympic Games, an Olympic game with a 1 rupee note. An Olympic with a 1 rupee note. An Olympic to a European country. An Olympic to a European country. Understand? I hope it is clear to you. So whatever I told you the other day, close your eyes. That was only the beginning, just to bring you to this. Now things are very clear as daylight. Don't be misled by letter, but you must be very careful to see how the word begins. But 99.9 cases, letter can be trusted. That is another thing. That is a fact. But there is, you have got 1%, where you have problem. So its best thing is, a general rule is that you go for the sound and not for the letter. Clear? Fine. So tomorrow we will, or in the near future we will have a test. Just find out how far we have learned this. So a and an, their articles meaning one. The meaning is anyone. When I say I have a friend, can be anybody. I have a book, just be any book. I have a pencil, any pencil. I know a boy, any boy. Any boy. That's it. Understand? I want a glass of water, any water. A glass, not water, a glass of water. Water is no A there because it is non-count. I want a bulb, any bulb. I want a torch, any torch. I want to play a game, any game. I want a pen, any pen. So that is the meaning. Not specific, any. General. Your general knowledge, that's all. A and N, both. But difference is, you use A with words beginning with consonant sound and use an words beginning with a vowel sound. A vowel and a consonant, the difference is vowels, airflow is free, no blocking, nothing of that sort. No closing, no blocking, no preventing, nothing of this. But the other one is free. That is the consonant sound, a lot of problems are there. It's like an obstacle race. You begin like, for example, P, see, you block. Your lips block, then immediately say P. You forget the sound. But what about A, E, O, U, and combinations? O, I, A, O, O, O. No difference. Same. Hope it is clear to you, and see you again with another some more clarifications next time. Till then, bye.